Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 6 stocks that I am buying in 2026. Top 6 for 26. Like, follow. But if you want to learn more about investing, trading, in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. So check it out. And we still have a Black Friday sale going on for like 2 or 3 more days. So check it out before the sale ends. Code Black Friday, 51% off. Check it out and let's dive into this. So stock number 1 is no surprise, honestly. This was the absolute AI powerhouse leader, NVIDIA. The reason I love NVIDIA and why I've been investing into NVIDIA over the past like 6 years now is because of growth. We've seen astonishing growth both on the stock appreciation side, and we've also noticed that the revenues, the earnings are beating expectations almost every single quarter, which is awesome. They dominate the AI chip market right now. They're expanding into data centers, robotics, self-driving. They have strong revenue and pricing power. I think that this is the best for long-term growth and AI exposure, in my opinion. And I know people either love or hate NVIDIA, but hey, you can't argue with the stats. They're leading AI, they're beating revenues. And so for me, I got to take a stab at it. Stock number 2 is another AI stock. But if you guys want to check out where I buy stocks, check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them down below. They're awesome, guys. So just check them out. You guys can, buy stocks, ETFs, all that good stuff right there. And you guys can get up to 60 free stocks. So check them out. Enough with that. Let's move on. Stock number 2 is the one and only Microsoft. Microsoft is another AI company, but they're more than just AI. They're AI, they're cloud. They have a whole bunch of deep partnerships with OpenAI, which is the company that operates ChatGPT. They have a really strong reoccurring revenue from Office and Enterprise. It's a safe AI stock, and they're a nice blue chip company, strong revenue. They're not closing their doors anytime soon. So yeah, I'm going to be picking up some shares at Microsoft, and with their new Microsoft Cloud, I can't beat that, guys. Stock number 3 is going to be an absolute e-commerce giant. This is going to be Amazon. Amazon for me it's a cloud stock, an AI stock, an e-commerce, and with AWS is still one of the strongest AI cloud businesses, honestly, out there. The AI services are expanding massively, and the logistics, the ads and divisions are absolutely booming. So why I love this is because of growth. You can pick up some shares right now at a very, very affordable price. Also, the future of AI demand is going to be huge for Amazon here. All right, and if you guys have been following the channel, you guys are going to recognize this stock here. Stock 4 is Meta. Meta, the reason why, 2 things, AI and advertising. You'll notice that a lot of my picks, actually 3 or 4 of the 6 are AI and tech stocks, but Meta for me, AI advertising, they have AI driven ads boosting revenue right now. Reels, WhatsApp monetization's huge, massive share buybacks, which is huge, very, very bullish for a stock to do that. This is a high cash flow tech giant growing at an astonishing rate. So I'm definitely going to be picking up shares. You can't beat it. You can't argue with the facts. So I love it, guys. All right, let's move on to stock number 5. Stock number 5 is the one and only Berkshire Hathaway. This is a value, a defensive pick. They have a strong balance sheet. They own a whole bunch of companies you probably use on the daily. Think of, Apple, Coca-Cola. They have a cash-rich business, great for uncertain markets. A lot of people think 2026 could be a very, very uncertain time for investing. So what does that mean? Be diversified. Don't go heavy into tech. Be into other assets. So Berkshire Hathaway investing a bunch into gold and a whole bunch of other things. You can't beat it, guys. Stock 6 is a company that honestly, some people love, some people don't. I love them. I think they're a giant company. I think the future of them outweighs the cons. This is Tesla. Tesla, the reason I love them is the EV robotics and AI, excuse me. The full self-driving's only getting better and better. Near major breakthroughs with the new robo taxis coming out, and the humanoid robots potential is huge. Energy storage business is growing just as fast as Tesla. It's definitely more of a higher risk, higher reward for that long term. But I think looking back in the next 5, 10, 15 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought some shares of Tesla, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.